Today, we're talking about a tiny little part that can cause some major headaches for your car, the Throttle Position Sensor, or TPS. If your car is idling, rough, hesitating, or throwing a check engine light, this little guy might be the culprit. But before you rush out and buy a new one, you need to know how to reset it. And in this video, I'm going to give you my 5 quick TPS secrets to get your car running smoothly again. What exactly is a TPS? Think of it as the car's gas pedal translator. It's a sensor attached to the throttle body, and its job is to tell the car's computer, the ECU, exactly how far the throttle plate is open. Is it closed for idle, or is it wide open for full acceleration? The ECU uses this information to deliver the perfect air-fuel mixture, but over time, the sensor can get out of sync, or the ECU might lose its learned values. That's when you get problems. Quick cut to Ethan holding a battery terminal with a wrench. All right, let's get into the secrets. Secret number 1, the ECU Reboot. This is the easiest and most common method. Your car's computer has a short-term memory, and we need to clear out completely. Step-by-step graphic overlays show the process. First, locate your car battery. You want to find the negative terminal. It's usually marked with a minus sign and a black cable. Using a wrench, carefully loosen the nut and remove the cable. Now, here's the crucial part. You can't just put it back on right away. You need to wait. Secret number 2, the key cycle learn. Is the next phase of the reset. We've wiped the memory. Now we need to teach the ECU all over again. Get in your car, but don't start the engine. Turn the key to the on position. You'll see all your dashboard lights come on. Now listen very carefully. You should hear a faint buzzing or clicking sound coming from the engine bay, specifically from the throttle body area. That's the sound of the throttle plate recalibrating itself. It's moving from its fully closed position to its fully open position to establish its new voltage range. Wait for that buzzing to stop. It usually takes about a minute or 2. Once it's silent, turn the key back to the off position. Secret number 4, the pre-reset cleaning ritual. This is more of a preventative maintenance tip, but it's a huge one. Sometimes your TPS isn't the problem at all. It's the dirt. Over thousands of miles, gunk and carbon can build up on the throttle plate and the inside of the throttle body. This buildup can physically block the throttle plate from closing all the way, tricking the TPS into thinking it's always slightly open. Before you do the reset, grab a can of throttle body cleaner. Disconnect your intake tube and with a soft rag, carefully spray and wipe away all that grime. A clean throttle body will make your TPS reset much more effective and is a great way to prevent future issues. Secret number 5, the test drive confidence check. Take the car on a short drive that includes a mix of different speeds. Pay attention to a few key things. Is the idle smooth when you come to a stop? Does the car accelerate without any hesitation or sudden surges? Does it feel responsive and normal? If the answer is yes to all of those, you've successfully reset your TPS. So there you have it, the 5 secrets to resetting your throttle position sensor. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY car tips, and let me know in the comments if you've had success with this reset method. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.